How to erase part of an image in Canva. So if you want to erase a part of an image in Canva, then first you need to open up a browser and then you can simply go for your Canva and make sure to log into your Canva. Once you've logged into your Canva, now you need to simply select any design. So I'll be choosing my recent design. So once you've selected, you can click on that image, and once you click on that image, here you will have edit photo option. You can go for edit photo, and then under your Magic Studio you can simply go for the BG remover, which is the background remover. So if you want to have the background remover option, then you need to simply go for the Canva Pro. So if you don't have Canva Pro, then you might not be able to have some edits. So you can simply click on that BG remover, and once you click on the BG remover, if you have your premium, then your background will be removed. And under your BG remover, once you click on that, if you have your premium, then you will get two options. One is to erase and the other one is to restore. So if you want to erase a part of an image in Canva, then you can simply choose the erase option, which will be under the BG remover. And once you click on the erase, you can simply drag your pointer to erase that. So that's it. That's how you can erase a part of image in Canva. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.